Hi, this is Steve Mariani from Internet of Artists. In this short video, we're going to review how to do online reservations. We're going to test it. Make sure that you already have your studio set up and configured like we showed you in the previous videos. Let's get into EMI Studio. Log in. By default, you'll see the day room view. If you already have a room set up, your room should be showing here in one of the columns. In this example, I have 3 rooms already set up. If you haven't set up the room already, go back to the previous videos on how to configure the room. The rooms, you configure them from the Configuration Studio Rooms page. And if your room is showing up here and there is no error message, it means it's ready to be booked online. How do we test the booking online? An easy way to do this, either through the app or through the web. Let's go to the EMI Music application at emi.network. You don't have to log in. You might be already logged in. You just need to use the search bar. Search for your studio, the name of your studio. In my case, I have M Studio in Guamasa. And since the app is geolocalized, the browser should already be set to your geographic location and you should be finding your studio right away. And you can attempt to book the studio right away from here. Click on the calendar icon, or if you wish, you can enter in the main page of the studio and book studio time, and this will open up the calendar page. Now, in this particular instance, I can see the emails of previously and the names of previously made reservations because I'm logged in with the same account. Your client will see this view, but it will not see who has booked the names or email of who has booked these particular rooms. They only see that the room is already booked for that particular time. Now I'm going to try to book any one of my 3 rooms, but I'm not going to do it for today because I already know that I have a minimum reservation time of at least 12 hours. So I'm going to go a few days out and I'm going to book Studio X from 1300 to 1500, from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And there you go. I just clicked on the calendar. By default, it comes up with Studio X. By default, because there's only one reservation type for Studio X, is rehearsal. By default, it puts in 4 musicians, but in this case, I have 3 musicians, the date, the time. I'm going to put in some personal information. I'm Steve. I'm going to put in my email, phone number, any observations, and I'm going to book it. And that's it. The booking has been made. It actually shows already in the calendar as a reservation request. It hasn't been confirmed yet. So let's go see what happens on your end in EMI Studio. When you log into your end on EMI Studio, the first page you'll see will be the day room view for today. The reservation that I just made was for a few days out. So here it is. Another easy way to actually see all the reservations that are pending that require your approval is through the reservation menu. And whenever you have new reservations, an icon will pop up here alerting you that there's new reservations that need to be confirmed. In this page I have several reservations that need to be confirmed. So I can review them all. This is the last one that just came in for Studio X from Steve. So I can either cancel it or I can confirm the reservation. And what happens when I confirm the reservation? The system will automatically be sending out an email to the client at that email stating that the reservation has been confirmed. Through that email, the client can actually change or cancel that reservation. So join me in the next video as we explore more features from our EMI Studio system. Thanks.